Hello guys, welcome to Jenkins Declarative Pipeline tutorial. As part of this demonstration, we will see how to set custom build display names in Jenkins pipelines. In real-time applications, we commonly have this use case where we want to have our application name as a display name followed by the current build number. We'll see how to code that using a declarative pipeline as part of this video. I have used this job in previous video. I want to use same job to set custom display name. Actually, I want to change the display name here. I would like to first show you pipeline syntax before we code it. Go to global variable reference. So go and check current build, which is implicit global variable. We can use this part of our pipelines. On this variable we have a display name. I want to use this specific global variable to change my display name in the code. Let's edit this code. So on top of pipeline, let me copy paste it. Current build dot so equals let's say my application name is online shopping and I want the display name as online shopping hyphen hash followed by the current build number. Let me close this string. So I want to append online hyphen shopping hyphen hash with the build number. Current build dot number. There is one more property in current build number. Yeah, this is going to change our build display name. Alright, let me commit the change. Go to our declarative pipeline demo and build it. And if you observe this, right, it says now online hyphen shopping followed by hyphen hash 9. So this is how we change the display names for the build. Thanks for watching.